Hi lovely people and welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl here again. If you're new to my channel, my name is Chika Brown, a YouTuber based in Benin City, but I'm currently filming from Mbaise in Imo State. Yeah! And this channel is basically about food, vlogs, DIY and lifestyle. If that sounds like what you love, kindly click on that red subscribe button down there and also click on that bell icon and select all so you get notified each time I upload interesting contents like this. Yeah, my contents are interesting. So please guys, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's get started. The generator was on, so that's why I was not talking, because there won't be need. So here are the things I'll be using for stew, to make stew. This meat here, I want to cook it for Umuna, like my village people. I want to invite them for my sister's white wedding, so I'll have to prepare this one. Normally you will not cut it, though. You just cook it like this. I'll cut it into 2 or 3 and leave it for them. They will cut it by themselves. Then this one, I want to make stew, and I want to make a peppered pomo. So I'll use part of this one to make stew. These are the things I'm using for my stew. Then I will use part of it, so I will do peppered meat that we're going to eat maybe later, I don't know sure. Then this one is the cola we're going to give them. We're going to give them this is bitter cola, this cola, this alligator pepper, and this garden egg. We're going to give them as cola. The drinks are inside, then the meat. Then this one is for us. So let's get busy. So I'm done with this one now. Mama, go and sit down. Mommy is busy. I went ahead to chop the pomo into this size. What you get? Can you see my hand? Into this size. So I reduced the size. It was too big, so I had to reduce the size. Some things are missing in this our shoe. No green pepper, no red bell pepper. But all the same, the meal. So I hope you can see the pots. Making a show in the village. The kind of battalion waiting for this moment like this. So since I didn't get red bell pepper and green bell pepper, so alternatively I chopped scotch bonnet pepper and shombo just to garnish with onions, you know, to give it that pop of color, you know. I wish I can see green bell pepper to give it that contrast color. But all the same, like I said, the meal. So guys, our show is ready. Let me zoom inside so you guys to see it very well. Hey, where can you feel it? Feel it, feel it, bam, bam. So my cousins are around, a few of my brother's friends, so I'm just going to dish out this. This one is okay. For 5 of them. They're up to 5, right?
Yes.
No, typical no. So no kwaka where naka. Fusamri na langa. So guys, like this, they're asking for extra, so I want to dish more. Bring the plates. Bring it closer so it's not enough. That is okay, Jerry. Cookies. How about it? Hello, yeah. Take it. I've already dried the meat, so I beg a sharp stew like this. So just trying to be fast. I'm just going to go ahead and throw in the fresh tomato and allow it to cook fry. So guys, this is the remaining meat. Oh, I did not use everything. The Igbo girl in me did not allow me to use all the meat, all the pomo for ashon, a bit for pepper pomo. So I removed one. I'm going to use this one to cook maybe oha soup or egusi soup tomorrow. As you can see, oh, as you can see, I saved a lot of meat. Look at it here. So I'll be making soup with this one tomorrow. So this is the stew. I've added some broth already. I added broth to it. So once it cooks properly now, stew will be ready. We'll just eat the rice. So guys, I'm so tired, like very tired. I'm also doing my own here. That's it, guys. Hey guys, look at my dull, exhausted face. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. Just in case you forgot to subscribe, please go ahead and click on that red subscribe button down there, and also click on the bell icon and select all. I promise to keep you entertained. Bye.